This video explains how to assign a training course manager, a role that can add training course materials and steps, assign tests, or add ad hoc tests to the training course. Also, they have permission to assign candidates and managers to a training course. To assign a manager to a training course, navigate to the training courses in the main menu and select the training course from the Managed Courses. Then navigate to the Managers tab. Click the Assign Manager button and choose the option from All Users. This allows you to assign a manager from the list of all users. Search for a user, select a user by ticking the box and click the Confirm button. You can also choose the From My Groups option and assign a manager from the selected group members list. Select the group from the drop-down menu, pick a user and click the Confirm button.